I couldn't resist catching this mockingbird. I was just sitting here having my coffee, and this mockingbird just showed up. So they're so elegant, aren't they? Look at that little baby. I'm not sure if that's a male or female. What do you think, Lou? You think that's a male or a female?
It's acting like a girl.
Acting
I
like
think
a
it's
girl?
I think it's a female.
Okay. Well, there's a red-winged blackbird right next to her. Let's see
It
if
could
they...
be a fledgling because
Oh,
the wing flapping is
the
going
wing
on.
flapping? Oh, yeah, she's...
Not really
She
standing.
was really
Flittering.
flittering. Well, I know this is really short, and I didn't take it like a short, so I can't post it as a short. Oh, who was that? Oh.
You're getting some clean water from the bird bath.
Let me see if I can comment on that bird bath. If I stand, oh, there he is. Well, maybe this won't be so short after all. That red-winged blackbird is really having fun. Yeah. You see the sweet little chirping? And then there's the female blackbird, and she didn't sound like she was happy. That sounds like a baby.
We named the cat Happy.
Okay, well, let's see what else we got going on. Just so it won't be too short. If we got anybody else, there's a bird over there. I missed it. Let's see if we got any birds over here. But you know, you gotta catch those birds when you can. That's a female blackbird. They don't look anything like the males. This is too shaky. I'm gonna... Here's a real good picture of a female blackbird. Okay, I'm gonna call this a quit for the bird watching. Remember, this is the day Yahuwah has made. Oh, and remember, Yahusha blessed the birds of the sky and the fish of the oceans. This is the day Yahuwah has made. Let's rejoice and be glad in it. Hallelujah.